Firstly, the World Health Organization, the MRHA, European Medicines Agency have all concluded that there is no link of the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine to clots. If you have a thrombophilia, such as factor V Leiden, protein C deficiency, protein S deficiency, antithrombin deficiency, antiphospholipid syndrome, then you can still have the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine or any COVID-19 vaccine that you're offered. This is because if you get infected by the live virus, it causes a local inflammatory response, usually starting in the lungs, which progresses onto what we call a cytokine storm. In other words, the body's over-response to the virus causes all these complications. The cytokines and the inflammation in the body activate multiple steps of blood clotting system, which could result in higher rates of you getting things like pulmonary embolism, heart attack and stroke. Getting the vaccine gives you a controlled dose of the non-live virus, and it will protect you from getting COVID-19 and save your life.